Dashboard. It lists down all your wallets, with favorites on the top. All the transactions are performed using the addresses of these wallets. Suppose you want to make a transaction with Bitcoin. Click on the Bitcoin wallet. It will show the number of Bitcoins you have in your wallet. To send Bitcoins to other wallet, click on Send BTC. Now enter the amount and wallet address of the recipient and click on Send button. You can receive Bitcoins by sharing your Bitcoin wallet address to the recipient. You can also add fiat currency. Click on USD wallet, then receive USD to add currency via credit, debit or with PayPal. If you are running business, create your merchant account. Exchange. Bitbose Exchange helps you to know about all the transactions made by you. It will show you all your orders, trade history, trade volumes, and gives you a deep insight over the price variation through price chart. To know your order status, click on Order Book. Open Order will display all your running transactions, while Order History will give you a list of all the completed orders. Portfolio. Portfolio allows you to park your funds for automatic algorithmic trading by Spike, our artificial intelligence-powered bot. You can manage your funds with easy-to-navigate interface. A list of top funds available for investment will be listed. You can have a glance over all your active funds, investments, and fund history at the same point. Interested in making an investment? Simple click on Invest and enter the amount which you wish to invest in that fund. Isn't that easy? Crypto Loan. One of the ingenious modules of Bitbose is Crypto Loan, where borrowers are given loan as per their credit history. Your credit limit will be displayed over the screen. To avail loan, simply click on Request for Loan. Verify your account if not done yet. You need to provide any of the ID proofs such as passport, the government authorized ID or driving license, so as to complete the kite formalities. A verification link will be sent to your email. Click it to proceed. Now it's time to fill up the loan form. Click on Apply. Fill the loan application form and then submit it. Bingo! Your loan amount is sanctioned with a pretty good credit score. Mining. You can send your money from hot wallet to cold wallet from here. The cold wallet is just like your offline savings account, where your amount gets a multi-layer protection. Cold wallet. This shows the status quo of your cold wallet and options. If you wish to transfer your money to the hot wallet or freeze it completely. Buy hash power. Interested in mining? Then you need to buy hash power. All necessary details such as hash rate, Bitcoin mining, last payment, and the current Bitcoin price are listed precisely. Enter the desired hash power and you will be charged as per the package displayed. Contracts. You can see all your active and expired mining contracts over here. Payouts. All your payouts from mining will be reflected here.